Hey guys, welcome to Digit. Today we'll be unboxing the Anti-Sports ICE 100TG full ATX cabinet. Looking at the box, we can see that it has a black glossy finish, an acrylic front panel. It supports two hard drives and two SSDs. It has cable management support, transparent tempered glass side panel. It supports ATX, MICRO-ATX, MINI-ITX motherboards. And it has a separate zone for power supply and other components. It weighs around 5.5 kgs. It has a magnetic air filter, supports cable management, and has support for all mainstream graphic cards. That's about all we can see on the box, so let's open this up and see what we've got. So that's the cabinet, the front. It has a textured power switch with a CD-like finish. The reset button has the same finish. It has a nice texture on the front panel. It has two front USB ports, USB 2 and USB 3. A front headset port, a mic port, and the two LEDs for the systems check. We have the magnetic air filter up top. It has rubber washers under the screws, which would be helpful to prevent any kind of rusting or breakage. The tempered glass panel. Inside, as we see, we've got the front I/O cables, a packet of screws needed to put your motherboard and other things into place. The cabinet seems to come with one fan at the rear. It's an anti-sports fan. It has a separate section to keep the power supply and hard drives. It has two slots for SSDs, which will be screwed on in the rear end, as we'll see in a bit. Should note that the bottom panel where the power supply's vent doesn't have a magnetic grill like the top. The front area has two slots for fans and has a grill in the middle to allow air to pass through. The vents for these front fans are located at the bottom, right here. They have a designed finish to them and are made of metal. Alright, we'll open up the other side, see how the cable management system is and where the hard drives are slotted. As you can see, this area here is where the cables run in the back of the motherboard, back of the cabinet. You have 2 slots for hard drives here. Your two SSDs can be screwed here and here. This is the power supply area. This is where the PSU would rest, with the vent facing this side and the back here. And that's about it. I'll give you a good look at what the front looks like. It's acrylic and a bit see-through. Like I said, these are the vents for the hot air to come, for the air to come in or out, depending on how your airflow is based. And that's about it. That is the Anti-Sports ICE 100TG ATX cabinet. Thank you for watching.